So we are working on a low-cost electric vehicle that will be made in very high volume. Um, we're quite far advanced in that work. I review the production line plans for that every week.
Elon Musk asserted in an interview that a brand new car worth 25,000 US dollars can reduce our worries about material supply shortages on the market by 75%. The revolution in manufacturing that the umbrella represents will eventually surprise everyone. How will Tesla make it special in the market? Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already and ringing the bell, so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content. There is a small note before delving into it, and that is to remember that this car will not actually be called the Model 2, Model C, or Q. It's just a placeholder name so that we can call on it. Until Musk officially announces the name of this new and affordable Tesla, we'll just simply refer to it as the Model 2. Now, first off, how will Tesla improve the Model 2's performance? Whether it be the hotshot engineers over at Tesla or at your Uncle Larry's secret garage at the local landfill, nobody can deny that the most important aspect of any EV is the battery. Tesla plans to establish an LFP or lithium iron phosphate battery manufacturing plant in Austin, leveraging technology from China's CATL. This move, mirroring Ford Motors' collaboration with the same company in Michigan, aims to equip the Model 2 with locally produced LFP batteries, qualifying it for full tax incentives, reducing the price to just $17,500 big ones. Replacing an electric vehicle's battery is often a significant expense, sometimes even surpassing half the cost of a new EV. A Chevy Bolt battery will potentially cost you between $16,000 to $16,500 for a 65 kilowatt hour pack, which is quite a hole burned into your wallet. The LFP battery technology, known for its longer lifespan, stands as a key factor in substantial cost savings for Model 2 owners. With the extended longevity of the LFP batteries projected to last beyond a decade compared to the current 68 years, the Model 2 emerges as a promising and cost-effective product in the market. These savings on production costs for the battery would also allow for further investments in the car's design and performance. The current landscape of affordable electric cars presents us with a choice between design and performance. When you desire a meticulously designed interior, exterior, and features, it seems that you may have to accept that its performance won't truly be cost-effective, or the price you have to pay will be higher. In the announcement of their comprehensive Master Plan 3 outline, Tesla released documents containing a wealth of technical information explaining the methods and reasons behind their sustainable development and battery strategies. Furthermore, in a chapter dedicated to vehicle batteries, Tesla discussed a future compact car, a commercial passenger transport vehicle, and a bus. Although the documents did not reveal specific details about these types of vehicles, the accompanying table not only outlined the expected battery capacities for each type of vehicle, but also indicated the projected sales volume. Thanks to this table, we now know that the Tesla Model 2 will feature an LFP battery pack with a capacity of 53 kilowatt hours. Lithium iron phosphate batteries have lower energy density but significantly lower production costs, making them suitable for smaller range vehicles. The Model 2 is expected to have a range of up to 250 miles. For the Model 3, Tesla previously equipped it with a CATL 55 kilowatt hour LFP battery pack with a range of approximately 291 miles in China. To better understand the utility that the hatchback segment brings, you can consider the Nissan Leaf, a vehicle with a claimed driving range of only 149 miles, and the Chevrolet Bolt EV boasting a better range of 259 miles. However, these figures may not be impressive enough to make it a trendsetter in the electric vehicle market, as demonstrated by the success of the Model Y. As for charging infrastructure, so far nothing seems to match Tesla's supercharger network in terms of reliability and performance. While charging stations from other automakers have faced various issues, from slower than advertised charging speeds to charging failures, Tesla's supercharger network has provided electric vehicle owners with a reliable and efficient charging solution, avoiding the disappointment and frustration experienced by owners of EVs from other manufacturers when they need it the most. most. If the Model 2 is primarily a practical car, it means it won't share the performance figures of a sports car like other Teslas. But honestly, what's the use of having all that energy if it's not being put to useful and efficient use? That brings us to the powertrain. Tesla's goal is to significantly reduce the use of rare earth materials in car components and enhance their efficiency. On March 1st of 2023, Tesla announced that their next-generation drivetrain would reduce the use of silicon carbide by less than 75% without compromising performance or efficiency. Subsequently, the company plans to implement this drivetrain in the $25,000 model. Notably, Tesla's current inverter module, in use since 2017, contains 48 silicon carbide semiconductor wafers. In contrast, newer models from other automakers currently on the market contain 12, which is the exact number Tesla referenced. The new chips used in Tesla's more affordable models will have double the current amperage per device and may have a surface area of 50% or more. Therefore, the required number of semiconductor wafers will be less affected. Regarding the impact of the drivetrain systems on the Cybertruck, it leveraged what the Model 3 offered in motors. This strategic move by Tesla suggests a foundation for cost-cutting, avoiding the need for extensive research into a completely new drivetrain system. Developing such a system would have been a time-consuming process. The majority of the Model 2's design is determined by the manufacturing process and cost cutting, including the application of a frame manufacturing process based on the new GigaPress technology that Tesla has updated in their factory. The 16,000-ton press, which Tesla has revealed, is likely to be used to create single cast molds for compact electric cars like the Model 2. As a result, the car is expected to operate globally, providing practicality for everyone. With an immensely large production quantity, this will significantly help Tesla reduce the upfront costs in their production line, ultimately saving around 40% in costs for the Model 2. What will help this $25,000 model explode in the EV market? Well, obviously, the number on the sticker price for starters. Tesla seems to have understood something as they suddenly introduced increasingly affordable car models in recent years. First, there was the Model 3 sedan with a starting price of $38,000, and this trend continued with the release of the Model Y SUV, which is more expensive than the Model 3, priced at $43,000. Despite that, the Model 3 has become the world's best-selling car in 2023, outperforming other similarly priced models like the Volkswagen ID.4, which is priced at $40,000. Musk perceives Tesla's upcoming model as a solution for the next phase in the electric vehicle evolution, catering to the general public and pragmatic individuals. Presently, there are scarce options in the $25,000 price bracket, such as the Chevrolet Bolt EV ranging from $26,500 to $29,700, and the Nissan Leaf priced between $28,000 and $36,000. These relatively affordable models have yet to achieve significant success. Consequently, several factors might drive an average person to consider purchasing a vehicle under $30,000. Such a car should ideally meet all commuting needs without encountering major issues. Now, let me ask you this. Would you rather drive around in an expensive-looking car that cost you pennies, or a car that looks like it was made with pennies but cost you a fortune? That's where the design comes into play. The Model 2 will change the landscape significantly, so let's delve into what we know about this upcoming car. The standout feature remains the affordable $25,000 price, with Elon Musk stating that it will not follow the path of the Model 3 but will be based on an entirely new platform. It'll be Tesla's first car primarily designed for practical use. He described it as not aiming to dazzle with an extensive range, but instead predicted that the final design would have a short front and rear overhang with significantly less storage space compared to the rest of Tesla's product line. However, it will still be much larger than many other cars on the market. For comparison, the Nissan Leaf has a cargo capacity of only 30 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded, and the Bolt EV has 57 cubic feet. Therefore, for a Model 2 or any other Tesla model, Musk is calculating in a reasonable way to ensure that his car leads in practicality. But with all the talk of having a lot of space, you probably expect this inexpensive technological marvel from Tesla to be the model with the least amount of features, right? Wrong! Tesla will offer a full autopilot package in the affordable Model 2, bringing autonomous driving features to a wider audience. Musk confirmed this at the Battery Day event in 2020, where he boldly declared the company's confidence in creating a $25,000 fully autonomous Tesla within 3 years, though this timeline has since shifted. As autonomous features continue to improve, evidenced by the installation of a camera in the Cybertruck's cabin, providing the self-driving system with the ability to observe and alert the driver's actions inside while the autopilot is engaged. Tesla's compact Model 2 is not only suitable for small families who enjoy picnics, but also appeals to younger customers who aspire to own a Tesla but may not have the means to do so. The tech-savvy crowd deserves the best of Tesla, and for this reason, the Model 2 might feature an infotainment system with various connectivity and entertainment solutions, as well as a surround sound system to provide users with the best experiences. Furthermore, the company has introduced Cyberpunk 2077 and thousands of other new games to the Model S and Model X. They've also begun offering Apple Music in their EVs. On October 19th of 2022, during Tesla's third quarter of 2022 earnings call, Musk hinted at a smaller Tesla model. He mentioned that the company's future EV platform would be smaller than the Model 3 and Model Y platforms, with production costs being only half as much. The company plans to leverage the lessons learned from developing platforms for the S, X, 3, Y, Cybertruck, and Semi while creating a new platform. Finally, the $25,000 Tesla Model 2 has a production schedule to look forward to in the near future.
And I should point out that we will be making the first production line will be here in the Gigafactory in Texas.
Musk unveiled plans for producing the next generation of cars at the Giga Texas factory in Austin, Texas, USA. To elaborate on this, we understand that building a new factory in Mexico would take a considerable amount of time. Until the end of 2023, the new Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico will receive approval for construction under the Federal Land Use Permit, allowing Tesla to modify the site's purpose and define the land parcel as part of the Tesla Gigafactory project. Therefore, until the construction of the new factory is complete, Tesla will commence research and production of one of the initial prototypes at the Texas facility. Additionally, Musk seems to appreciate their futuristic appearance, stating that people will perceive them as having a forward-thinking design. He further noted that starting production from a new factory like Giga Mexico would require many of Tesla's top engineers to move there, hence the company wants them to be close to the assembly line. Additionally, the designs of both the affordable car and robotaxi were internally previewed in February of 2023, and they have a similar feel to the Cybertruck. The second type will be a smaller, fully autonomous vehicle based on a new platform similar to the upcoming entry-level model. Following that, Musk mentioned that Mexico will be the second factory to start production of this car, primarily serving the demand in North America, although this may not be the sole production facility for this vehicle in the region. In the third quarter of 2023 earnings conference call, Tesla revealed that they are exploring the design of a parallel factory along with the development of the new product they plan to build there. Musk stated that they are laying the groundwork to commence construction, but are also cautious to ensure that operations in Mexico align with the conditions of the global economy. Until the end of 2023, Tesla is preparing to receive approximately $153 million in incentives from the Nuevo Leon state of Mexico for its upcoming factory. According to the government's statement, the encouragement measures include a series of initiatives, including the creation of essential infrastructure such as roads and water processing facilities. Additionally, Tesla will benefit from wage tax reductions. And finally, Tesla will continue to dominate the Chinese market and other Asian markets by sourcing vehicles from the Gigafactory in Shanghai as well as in Berlin for the European market. A question that often arises when a company announces the construction of a new car model is when it will be released. The Tesla Model 2 may be unveiled at a special product event in the coming months in 2024. However, the market launch may not occur until before 2025. During that time, Tesla is in the refinement stage of developing its affordable car model. Tesla hopes that its compact EV will double the combined sales of the midsize Model 3 and Model Y, reaching 42 million units. This seems to be an ambitious goal for just one model, especially for a company that sells only about 1 million units of all its models combined annually. Recent information suggests that Tesla resumed work on the Model 2 after temporarily prioritizing other models. Months after, Musk mentioned that the company had temporarily halted the Model 2 project. While Tesla is making predictions about building new car models, other automakers have seized this opportunity and taken steps to create the first affordable cars to establish a foothold, as Volkswagen has moved a step closer to introducing an affordable electric car priced at around $26,866 on March 15th of this year. The German automaker has previewed a future electric car with the code name VWID2 All Concept, expecting to launch the dealer version in 2025 for the European market. The all-new electric hatchback will feature Volkswagen's latest design language with modern features and a range of 280 miles based on the MEB entry platform. Volkswagen is also planning another electric car with a targeted starting price of $21,547, aiming to be lower than the rumored entry-level electric car from Tesla if it appears in the US. However, the statement is still considered speculative as we don't have much certainty about the upcoming car models. Considering Tesla's trajectory, what price do you anticipate for this low-cost EV? And are you eager to own it?
You're not mistaken. For luxury and futuristic design enthusiasts of Tesla, you can't overlook the $700 million super yacht design that Tesla needs to have in its full product lineup. All the impressive designs we've seen Tesla use in cars, spacecraft, humanoid robots, and unique software will be applied to create the luxurious model yacht to enhance the lives of the world's wealthiest 1%. This design promises extraordinary performance for a yacht with up to 8,000 horsepower and a maximum cruising range of 80 knots when in the middle of the vast ocean seas. It will bring a futuristic perspective to the tourism and maritime transportation industry. How will Tesla implement this plan? After more than a decade, Tesla has substantiated our vision with the futuristic appearance of its new vehicle models. The yacht-like vehicle, referred to as the Model Y yacht, is set to be the flagship in Tesla's product line that has never been disclosed before. It seems that it won't be intended for enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the affordable Model 2, as this luxurious yacht will make life more comfortable for the 1% of the world's population. Priced attractively at $700 million, it'll be an affordable yacht for billionaire owners. We can refer to this dreamlike beauty as the Tesla Model Y, representing the letter Y derived from yacht. However, being a yacht with a Tesla logo and name, we can expect some tricks unlike any tricks seen before. If Tesla can introduce a fully self-sustaining luxury yacht in terms of energy as well as a completely autonomous captain, that would be something all of us would be interested in, as it could cut operating costs by 50% or more. Additionally, thanks to this, many groups and families would be able to experience private trips in the most enjoyable way. What impressive Tesla designs will the yacht be equipped with? Firstly, the skeleton of the yacht plays a crucial role in stability. It provides resistance against the yacht's tilting caused by winds or waves. Designed in the shape of a giant squid with a pointed front and gradually widening at the rear, it is truly a colossal squid with the size of 131 feet. As you know, many vintage yachts currently in operation worldwide are often much larger, reaching up to 600 feet for a Zam or 535 feet for Eclipse, most of which are owned by billionaires. A vital component deep below is the pair of massive motors with a power output of up to 8,000 horsepower, facilitating easy propulsion of the yacht at a maximum speed of 80 knots. While some smaller super yachts may have the ability to move faster due to the impact of weight on range and speed, we don't need to worry too much about this when a yacht is focused on breakthrough features and equipped with advanced technology. The superstructure of this Tesla yacht resembles that of most other vessels. It covers the top deck while creating interior space for the lower deck. However, the highlight of this yacht is a small aft deck for sunbathing or admiring the sea, with a flexible glass cover connected to the central control. Additionally, a small and private lower deck is directly connected to the front deck. The private aft deck is also a perfect launching point for small boats and watercraft wanting to connect with a yacht. One thing we're certain about is that Tesla will focus on improving the safety of this electric-powered yacht because it'll use batteries, and the exposure of batteries to seawater could pose a significant risk. Meanwhile, Tesla's car models can easily navigate flooded areas without damaging the undercarriage battery system, demonstrating in-depth research on how an electric vehicle can prevent water contact with the wiring and battery system. Although Tesla's models, such as the highly affordable Model Y and Model 3, have remarkably low prices, the performance and safety they offer to users are extremely effective. Some opinions suggest that it should be designed with a stainless steel hull. However, this would give the yacht an angular design similar to the Cybertruck and seem difficult to bend at the bottom. Moreover, for a stainless steel shell, cleaning and polishing would require a significant amount of labor. But in return, it would provide a completely sturdy and safe configuration that can withstand bullets fired at close range. With the advancement of solar energy technology, Tesla promises to equip the yacht with solar panels on the roof to absorb sunlight when the ship's not moving. It'll convert this light into energy to supply the turbines. You might wonder how this model yacht will operate on cloudy days. We want to remind you that Tesla has implemented regenerative braking technology in their car models. So this opens up a new idea for regenerative turbine technology. A single hydroelectric turbine under the hull will provide power to the batteries inside, ensuring that when in motion, the water's impact will cause it to rotate and generate electricity. Furthermore, if you're concerned about network connectivity in the middle of vast open seas, you can consider what Tesla designed for the Cybertruck, where it can attach a Starlink dish to provide network coverage anywhere for remote off-road trips. With a satellite network spanning the low Earth orbit, it'll help the yacht stay online to connect with the online control system managed by the yacht's operator. At the end of 2023, we discovered that the Overseas Shipbuilding Group equipped all vessels in its fleet with Starlink satellite internet service. Since the introduction of Starlink's global maritime service to the market earlier this year, OSG's Information Technology Department has been diligently completing the installation of Starlink devices on every ship in the OSG and ATC fleets. This progress is part of the company's commitment to a new era of seamless connectivity for sailors on all ships. The availability of Starlink allows seafarers to enjoy high-speed internet access even in the most remote maritime locations, maintaining connections with loved ones through video calls, accessing online streaming services and social networks, as well as addressing personal matters while at sea. Starlink is highly praised for its low Earth orbit satellite constellation, providing internet access capabilities even in the most remote and challenging environments. How would this million-dollar yacht be interior designed? Most of the top deck will create a spacious interior illuminated all through the openings in the superstructure. The clever use of this natural light has a drawback in that it doesn't allow for the creation of additional floors. It provides an open space, including a bar in the lounge area, with cushioned beds and plenty of room for any type of activity you might want to organize if the design of the structure and interior space is aimed at hosting parties. Adjacent to that is a luxurious spa and massage counter, where Tesla customers can be pampered after the festivities on board. Another unique aspect of this Tesla yacht is the lower deck, which features expansive doors that create a space just large enough to easily open up, allowing people to walk to the location of the pool effortlessly. Additionally, the lower deck is the only area for relaxation and dining, featuring a glass room with 2 beds. All the amenities found in a modern home will be present here with a touch of luxury. Furthermore, the modular style interior on this futuristic yacht is one of its standout features, especially when it comes to the cleverly designed foldable seats. With just a push of a button, they automatically extend from under the table when passengers appear. It's not an exaggeration to say this yacht is like a mobile home on the ocean, where all electrical appliances are powered by solar panels capable of charging whenever sunlight is present. An intriguing feature is the captain's room, equipped with 4 large control screens surrounding the captain's seat, similar to the screens found in the Tesla Semi and Cybertruck. Most functions are controlled from these screens, combined with a steering yoke and a wired control system, making it easy to alter the ship's trajectory. The aft section of the yacht's desk can be enclosed with a rounded glass design featuring the Tesla logo. This helps passengers on the deck avoid wind and rain when the weather changes. What factors will help Tesla's yachts optimize usage costs? Normally, a super yacht owner mentions spending $400,000 per year on diesel fuel. However, with the Tesla super yacht, the fuel cost is completely eliminated. This cost, typically a significant consideration for yacht owners, has been substantially reduced with a Tesla super yacht as it relies on alternative, more sustainable energy sources. This not only contributes to improving economic efficiency of operating the Tesla super yacht, but also aligns with the global trend of increasingly emphasizing renewable energy solutions and environmental friendliness in the luxury transportation sector. As you know, labor factors such as the yacht crew and service staff on board contribute a substantial amount to the daily operating expenses. Therefore, we can see that Tesla seems to be building a robust labor platform for the future by incorporating AI into both production and potentially replacing the yacht crew. In other words, Tesla Bot is an irreplaceable option. Tesla has unveiled Optimus Gen 2, a new generation humanoid robot capable of handling repetitive tasks typically done by humans. Moreover, in the future, subsequent generations will be fully artificial intelligence with the new version, Tesla Bot or Optimus, capable of moving 30% faster than its predecessor. This makes it worthy of improving walking speed equivalent to that of humans and even surpassing it. To polish a stainless steel yacht for a 131-foot-long vessel, we typically have a crew of 3 sailors, 2 engineers, 3 interior staff, 1 chef, and 1 captain, totaling 10 people. While the yacht is usually washed once a week, stainless steel polishing is done at the same frequency. Therefore, an additional 3 staff members working with polishing machines would be needed, resulting in a total monthly salary cost of around $14,500. This amounts to $217,000 per year for maintaining the stainless steel hull. All these cost considerations are expected to be addressed with Optimus, a tool capable of working throughout the day to perform tasks traditionally carried out by individuals on the yacht. However, it is unlikely that we would hope for the captain of this vessel to be a machine at this point in time, as human cognitive flexibility still surpasses that of machines. Famous for shaping the future of the transportation industry not only through electric vehicle production, but also by creating infrastructure to support the widespread adoption of electric cars worldwide, Tesla has become an icon of convenience and energy sustainability for Tesla vehicles, creating conditions for a pollution-free transportation system. With plans to establish a charging system directly at the port to serve the Tesla yacht, Musk continues to emphasize flexibility and integration in integrating technology for electric vehicles. The super-fast charging feature during rest periods at the port is not just a convenience. It also demonstrates Tesla's commitment to providing comprehensive energy solutions for their customers. However, it is noteworthy that this project may face challenges in attracting consistent attention and usage from the yachting community. Advanced renewable energy technologies on the yacht's hull may reduce dependence on charging from peripheral sources, making the port charging system unnecessary in many cases. Furthermore, the sharing of charging connectors for other Tesla vehicles and even utilizing excess energy for other purposes provides a clear example of optimizing energy sources and creating an innovative green energy complex. This plan promises to harness the full capacity of Tesla's multi-million-dollar charging system. Elon Musk, the founder and CEO of Tesla, has a broad vision for the future of the automotive industry, not only through electric vehicle production, but also by setting ambitious challenges in designing advanced electric vehicle models. Although there are clear indications that he is considered one of these advanced designs and has been impressed with them when asked about design plans. However, it seems that Musk is choosing a cautious approach when discussing these yacht models. This caution may stem from an awareness of the significant impact that premature information about research projects can have on the company's financial situation. Keeping information about future models under a certain level of secrecy can help Tesla maintain customer interest and expectations while avoiding unwanted market fluctuations. Moreover, Musk may be applying this strategy to keep the company flexible and experimenting and adjusting business strategies without being constrained by prematurely public commitments. This helps Tesla maintain uniqueness and innovation in the automotive industry, where continuous innovation is key to success. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, seems unrelated to the project and has never publicly endorsed it. But fans are still eagerly anticipating the project with the hope that the company will support and turn it into a reality. He has already launched rockets into space and returned them successfully, created advanced humanoid robots and Neuralink chips, so it's certain that he could create a Model Y super yacht. One thing is certain. The price of this super yacht will undoubtedly make it a luxury item reserved only for the wealthiest individuals. If you're a fan of Tesla's innovative and sustainable designs and have the financial means to experience a journey on a super yacht, keep an eye on Tesla's plans. Someday, Musk may surprise us again and disrupt the market. As the world transitions to using electric vehicles, it wouldn't be surprising if electric yachts become the new standard in the sailing industry. Dr. Charles Kuhlman, Tesla and SpaceX's Senior Director of Materials Engineering, recently converted his own Elon GT5 yacht into an electric model. However, Tesla is not the only one exploring electric yachts. Poland Sunreef Yachts previewed its electric e-yacht in 2019. Japanese motor manufacturer Nidec has also installed an electric energy management system on the 165-foot-long wider yacht. Still, neither of these models provides the sustainable capabilities of the Tesla yacht. The concept of electric yachts is rapidly evolving, and more sustainable energy forms are being discovered. Therefore, it's not surprising that Tesla aims to lead the way in accomplishing these ambitious endeavors. What do you think about this future product from Tesla? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video rocked your world, show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing for more thrilling content, spreading the word, and ringing the bell icon to stay updated on our latest episodes. Thank you immensely. Until we meet again, stay safe, take care, and may blessings abound.